Hey signers, are you learning ASL but feel like you have hit a wall? Or do you feel like you can't learn it fast enough? Well, in this video, I have 3 tips to help you over that hump. These tips are directly from our 10-day ASL Jumpstart. So basically, if these tips speak to you, then you definitely need to sign up for the free newsletter. Let's learn 3 tips to help you learn how to sign ASL faster. Number 1, set a goal. Not one of those, I want to learn everything I can about ASL goals, which are great though. A real, tangible, measurable goal. Then act on it. Yes, I realize I sound like one of those overly excited motivational speakers that don't live in any realm of reality.
So just do it! Make your dreams come true!
But hear me out on how you can actually achieve those goals. For example, you might be here watching a few of our YouTube videos and know the alphabet and 25 signs, but you are wanting to be able to have a basic conversation with a deaf person tomorrow.
Yeah, so?
Well, obviously, that's an unrealistic goal.
Speak for yourself.
Instead, try setting a goal of learning 5 new signs a day and learn a new phrase. You could do this by starting with our 99 signs video. Yes, 99 signs. So that means take it slow. Don't overwhelm yourself. Take it one day at a time. With that, you'll feel like you have accomplished something. This way, you can actually see growth. So maybe you're not a newbie to ASL, but rather you are ready to dive deep into all things ASL. Try setting a goal focusing on a certain subject matter or practicing your fingerspelling fluency. This could be by also learning 5 new signs a day related to something that interests you, or by setting a metronome to keep your pace with your fingerspelling fluency and then increase it over time. No matter what your goal is, set it and stick to it. Number 2, practice daily. That's easier said than done, right? I am right there with you. Like when you're trying to eat healthier, but then your husband asks if you want to have Thai food for dinner. I'm not here to give you a secret formula or pep talk. That was in tip number 1. Rather, I'm here to tell you the facts. American Sign Language is a language, an ever-evolving language. If you are really wanting to learn a new language, it can't be done by cramming for 10 days and then not touching it for a month. Ouch. I mean, look back at how you learned your first language. You were immersed in it. You had to practice it daily. This should be the exact same. Maybe you're thinking, that's great and all, but I have nowhere to immerse myself in. Or, Meredith, I'm practicing every day, but I'm looking for more. Well, this is a great time to set your goal and maybe for the next week, practice daily. Here's an idea in how to practice. Take one of our 100 signs in 5 minutes videos. Practice the signs each day until you feel confident in all 100 signs. Number 3, switch it up. Imagine for a second you are on a new health kick and you're now eating the same salad recipe 4 days in a row, but you know full well in your desk drawer you have a bag of chips at the ready. In case of an emergency, you are bored with the salad and tempted to break your newfound journey. But what if all you need to do is switch up your recipe to add some excitement back? Okay, I realize this concept is nothing new, but it brings up a great point. You might be here because you have been watching ASL YouTube videos, but you haven't actually seen results. This can cause boredom and disinterest, resulting in quitting your ASL journey. So, how about switching it up? Here are a few ideas. When watching a YouTube video, sign along with the signer. Watch other ASL YouTubers. We have all different signing styles and accents, so it's always good to practice understanding various signers. Teach someone else what you are learning about ASL. Who knows? Maybe they might want to start learning with you. Record yourself signing a phrase, then watch it back. Ask yourself some questions like, am I clear? Am I using the right facial expression? Try out some of our quiz videos. Get a paper and a pencil, then treat it like a real quiz. It will force you to study and check what you really know. ASL is in no way boring, so learning it doesn't have to be. If you notice you're not as motivated, switch it up. Like I mentioned before, this is all from our 10-day ASL Jumpstart newsletter. Sign up for it so you can get the other 7 tips. And did I mention? It's free. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.